Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all.
Now we see the next unit of the topic marine pollution. That what are the effects of marine pollution? The curse of pollution has now begun to engulf marine ecosystem in manifold ways. Some important effects of marine pollution can be dealt as number one, effects of industrial effluents. So whatever are the industrial effluents, what are their effects, we'll see in details. Industrial discharges and dumping of waste products into the sea badly and adversely affect the dissolved oxygen and develop oxygen poor or depleted conditions. Oxygen deficiency causes suffocation to the aquatic life, leading to their death. Such situation further augments the pollution level. Wastes containing toxic substances and pathogens further aggravate adversities to marine life. Marine plants and animals die. Human beings develop various diseases by eating fishes of such area. One such example is of Minamata disease caused due to mercury pollution along the Japan Sea. Dumping of non-biodegradable wastes such as plastic articles and floating nets cause various problems. Large number of birds, turtles and marine mammals are killed when they ingest such wastes. Second effect we will see that is related with the oil spillage. Most affected communities of oil spillage are shore-based communities, including various species of crabs, starfish, bivalves, lobsters, barnacles, seaweeds, etc. Mass-scale fish kill occurs during oil spills. The most common victims are various seabirds. The seabirds are affected by direct fouling of their plumage, ingestion of oil or oiled prey, or transfer of oil to nesting birds. The oil spillage causes high mortality rates of seabirds. About 50,000 to 250,000 birds are killed every year by spill oil. It is found that badly oiled shore become largely denuded of animals and seaweeds. Surface oil film prevents the exchange of oxygen with the atmosphere, which leads to deoxygenation and poses serious threat to marine life. Shore animals suffer due to toxic hydrocarbons, which render failure of respiratory systems. Hydrocarbons and benzopyrene accumulate in food chain, and consumption of contaminated fish by man may cause cancer. Now, the third effect of marine pollution is effects of agricultural waste and pesticides. Toxic agricultural wastes and pesticides reaching sea with the inflow of river water cause disaster effects on marine life. The killing of the various marine forms develops secondary pollution. Entry and accumulation of toxic substances or pesticides in the food chain has far-reaching effects. Recently, mariculture or marine farming in India has been banned by TN High Court cause of excess usage of chemicals and antibiotics in the process. These have been found damaging marine ecosystems, and hence Tamil Nadu High Court has banned the usage of these chemicals and antibiotics. Number fourth effect of marine pollution, there is the effect of eutrophication. Nutrient-rich conditions developed due to discharge of sewage and other organic garbage in the sea enrich its water with nitrogen and phosphorus. Such nutrients favor the abundant growth of algae called algal blooms, such as red tide.